Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Power on the LCD TV and set its input to the HDMI or casting source. Make sure your phone or laptop is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the TV. This is how devices discover each other. If you have an external Chromecast dongle, plug it into HDMI and power it. Once done, open the casting option on your device so it can scan. This step initiates the device pairing process. Now you initiate the connection. Open the cast, screen share, or miracast option on your phone or laptop. Choose the TV or Chromecast name that appears in the Discovered Devices list. This binds the two devices. If the TV shows a PIN or confirmation dialog, accept it on the TV or enter the PIN on your device so the session is authorized. Make sure you allow permissions for audio and display. This step creates the secure link. Finish by adjusting display and sound. Set the resolution and aspect ratio in your casting app or device so the image fills the LCD correctly, and confirm audio routes to the TV. If you see lag or stuttering, stop casting and restart the cast session. If that fails, reboot the TV and source device. One key troubleshooting tip: weak Wi-Fi causes most issues. Move the router closer or use HDMI directly if stability matters. That solves most remaining problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.